how about developing your English communication and knowledge also? Is it possible? Absolutely yes. So dear friends, hi. It's possible to develop your English fluency by using this very nice effective technique which I'm going to share with you, that is how to use TED platform, TED videos to develop your fluency, your confidence, your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your presentation skills, your public speaking skills, and most important thing is your knowledge, your ideas. I have been using this method since last around 9 years. And I'm sharing this method with all my students. So today I'm doing this on YouTube. Watch this video very carefully. I'm going to share you a step-by-step process of how you can use TED videos to develop your fluency and your confidence. So here we go. Let's start. Alright guys, so let me walk you through. I hope you know what is TED platform, TED, technology, entertainment and design. In this platform, you will get to some of the world's best communicators in English, communicators in different languages also. But one thing is common in them. These people are very passionate, they love their work, they have great ideas to share with you. See, when you develop your fluency, just watching videos will not help you, but a video with purpose. When you're watching a video, you must have a purpose to watch that video. There must be some knowledge to gain from. But if you're watching a video only from English perspective, I mean, if you're watching the video because I want to improve my English, then no, it's not going to help you. Why? I'll tell you. English development is an unconscious process. English improvement is an unconscious process. Consciously, you can develop a subject, but not a language. So when you're watching a video, your purpose should be to gain the knowledge, and TED platform exactly does that. I will show you all the steps here. I will walk you through how to go to the website and how to select it. Okay, so here we go. I will start from scratch. Okay, so first already I have typed it, TED. Let us go to the Google and the website. I will come on this side so you can see TED.com. All right, so after that, this is the website of TED. Come over here. Okay. Yeah. Now, come over here and watch. TED Talks. Here we go. And now come down over here. And you have some filters here which you have to apply. Close. Okay. Hope you can see the filter. Now here, the first filter you have to apply is the duration. Okay, the first step is there are different durations. Out of this, don't go to 12, 18 or 18 plus. That will be very boring for you. So select a smaller version. 6 minutes is okay for you so that you can enjoy the talk. If the talk is very lengthy, it will be very boring. And one more thing is, use this method as an alternative. This is not the only method. I have given some other methods also which will help you, but use this method when you are tired, when you feel like, oh, I'm tired of reading and now what to do. Oh, use this. It's very, very helpful. Here we go. Now, languages, of course, English will be the language here. So topics, now here I come. Now out of all this, you have to select that topic which you are really passionate about, which you really love. Do not select any boring topic. Do not select any random topic. Be careful about which topic you want to select for. Technology is there, entertainment is there, design, business, science, global issues. No, I don't want that. See, for more topics, alphabetically they have put here. Now you can go ahead and you can go with A, B, C, D, and you can select any one which you want. Well, I will go with psychology as I love psychology. Out of this, you can see here, you can go over policy is there, and podcast is there, planets and physics, and primates, and psychology, and PTSD, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Let me go to psychology. Now, in psychology, you can see there's so many categories. As we have applied all these filters, with all this, you can get all these videos over here, right? Now let me scroll down, because yeah, one is a human video, others are cartoons actually. I want a person who is giving a presentation. I'm looking for that. Okay, so well, here we go. I haven't got it. Scroll down, page number 3. I will directly go to page number 3 because already I know where it is. Let me go to page number 3. Okay, here on page number 3 you can get some more And out of that, I selected this, I studied this. I thought like, let me share this with you. So you can select whichever you feel like. Just go and spend some time over there. Now, here we go. With all these things, now the next step is to actually start and apply. Come over here, read transcript. Can you see this read transcript? Hope you can see this. So click on read transcript and see on that side, you will get the entire transcript of this conversation. Now here, accent also matters. Accent also matters. You can go with Indian accent also if you are very new and if your English is not that great, but this guy is speaking quite an easy accent. One more thing, here is a subtitle. Let me scroll it down and you can even start your subtitles. Okay, English subtitles. Okay, let's come down and here we go. Transcript. Now see the step. The step is, first of all, you have to read it loudly. Understand, huh? The step is read it loudly. Why to read it loudly? To tone your mouth muscles. This is a short conversation. This is a short transcript. So reading loudly will not be a big trouble for you. The purpose is to train your mouth muscles. We have around 80 plus mouth muscles here on our cheek. And so to speak fluently in English, to develop your pronunciation, speaking loudly is very crucial. But one more thing is there, while speaking here, because this is a conversational English, this is not any textbook English. Here he's speaking this English, it's a conversational English. So usually speakers don't use difficult words. But if your vocabulary is poor, that word will be difficult for you. So in that case, while reading loudly, jot down that word in a vocabulary notebook properly. Understand the pronunciation of that word. Understand the pronunciation, and most important, say the pronunciation loudly. Say it out loud. Saying is important. Understand one thing, communication is not in mind. Many of you have told me that, sir, in mind I can speak a lot, but when it comes to actually delivering it, I can't do that. Why this happens? Answer is very simple. Speaking is all about activity. It's all about doing. It's all about performing. It's not just sitting and thinking in mind in English. You can't just think in English. You have to actually perform in English. So read it loudly. Okay, this is the transcript. For example, I will just read a couple of lines for you. Look at here. Everyone, please think of your biggest personal goal. For real, you can take a second. You got to feel this to learn it. You got to feel this to learn it. Okay. Now see here. You've got to. Okay. Take a few seconds and think of your personal biggest goal. Okay. Imagine deciding right now that you're going to do it. Imagine telling someone that you meet today what you're going to do. Okay, what you're going to do. Imagine their congratulations and their high image of you. Doesn't it feel good to say it out loud? Don't you feel one step closer already? Like it's already becoming a part of your identity? If you don't know the word identity, jot down the word identity. In future, I will come with more such videos where I will explain you how these words are being used by the speaker and in which context these words or idioms and some good phrases and some metaphorical language and all that stuff is used. I will show you, I will analyze them. Some of the best speakers are there. Well, now you can just come over here, and as you can see here, you can scroll down. All right. If you are using a mobile, you can do that. If you're using a laptop or tablet, you can use that. Depends on you. Well, I haven't found out any new word which was really kind of intriguing. I haven't found difficult word I haven't found out. So just you can go over here and you can finish this. Now, once you finish the transcript, then come back here. Okay, now come back down here. And now what you have to do, you have to on the subtitles, which I showed you here. You have to on the subtitles. Subtitles are there. And now what you have to do, you have to put your earphones or your headphones. Now transcript is ready. You have understood the transcript properly. You have understood the pronunciation properly. Now you are ready. Now actually you are going to take help of the audio. Now you're going to use two senses, audio plus transcript, combined together. Together you're going to combine that. Just see. Okay, subtitles are there. Okay, I just can't play the whole video, entire video here, because it will take a lot of time. I mean, 3 minutes of just watching the video. No, I don't want to take that much of your time. Now guys, this is the entire step. This is what the entire process of using the TED platform is. Now once you finish this, the last step is there. Don't go anywhere. Very important. Now, whether you have understood or not, that we have to see. So what you have to do? Last step, write a summary. And what is the summary of this video? What is the summary of this video? Have you understood the video or not? That's very important. And wait, that's the homework. Now, if you're really serious about your communication, you have to watch the entire video, and in the comments you have to write the summary. Okay, I will give the summary in the comments, not now. Otherwise, you will come to know about the summary and what is the point. So watch this 3-minute video. If you understand, write the summary in the comments. That will help you to develop your writing skills. Okay, and I will also pin the summary, pin in the comments the summary. Okay, so hope you're going to do that, dear friends. And it's a great platform. Use YouTube for growth, not for wasting your time. Use it to develop yourself. Use it to develop your fluency. Don't waste your time in watching useless vlogs. Take care. Bye-bye.